So I have removed the wires from our starter, removed our adapter stud. Now it's going to ask me for alternator inspection. So I'm going to inspect belts for cracks, glazed surfaces, inspect for proper tension, and inspect cables for loose or corroded connections. If all's good, I'm going to continue, and then it's going to give me a diagram of how I need to hook this up. Also, if needed, they do have the adapters to adapt onto the alternator, so you can actually add some studs to make it easier for your leads to connect. So I'll hook my positive up to the positive side, and then I'm going to ground my ground side on the alternator. I'm going to continue my test. Connect the large leads to the alternator, small leads to the starter battery pack, which we already have. It does show the hookup diagram again if I need to. Then what I need to do is I need to actually look at the nameplate on the alternator to get what amp alternator this is. So we've got a Remy 160 amp alternator. So I'm going to enter my alternator output, 160 amp. I'm going to start my test. So we got a good charging voltage drop. It passed. Our positive is 0.179, negative is 0.069. We have a voltage drop of 0.248 at 160 amps. It's good to 384 amps at 0.600 volts. I'm going to go to the next test. It's going to ask us if we found any damage. We did not. I'm going to choose our Delco Remy. We're going to enter our output, 160, which we already entered. We're going to hit start, and it's going to prepare the alternator test.